What's going on, guys? Back at you with another sole swap hybrid. Yet another project for the Sneaker Savant where I'll be making some Nike hiking boots. I'll be taking the soles off of this pair that I previously swapped for the Sneaker Savant, and I'll be swapping out the uppers for this pair of Nike hiking boots. Let's start off by getting into the sole separation.
I started my sole separation on the non-customized ACG boots. For this pair, I didn't want to use any steam from my steam gun or chemicals because I didn't want to damage the suede uppers. Instead, I resorted to heat from my heat gun to break down the bond of the factory glue, and then pressure from my bone folder to pry the soles away from the uppers. For the previously customized ACG boots, the uppers were going to be scrapped, so it didn't matter if I ruined them. To remove the soles, I used steam from a steam gun and then pressure from a bone folder to rip the uppers away from the soles successfully.
Now that I got these hiking boot soles and uppers separated, it's time to get the surfaces prepped so that they'll be ready for gluing.
To start prep on my uppers, I had to begin by using a razor blade to skive away all of the factory glue and debris to make sure that I didn't damage the suede in the process. Once I had finished up with skiving to the best of my ability, I broke out a metal grinding bit on my Dremel to get rid of as much of the remaining factory glue that was still there. Then with some acetone, I wiped down everything to make sure that all of the glue was significantly removed. Prepping the soles for this pair was pretty easy, and all I really needed was a Dremel with a grinding bit in order to grind away all of the previous glue from the last customization project I worked on. Not pictured here is also a quick acetone and cotton balls rinse down to make sure everything had been properly removed.
These Nike hiking boot uppers are all prepped, as well as the soles. Now it's time to glue them together and get everything bonded.
I'll start off my gluing process by aligning the soles to the uppers using a heat erasable pen. Once I have my lines traced, I'll then lay down 2 coats of barge super stick cement, approximately 15 minutes apart from one another on both the soles and the uppers. Applying 2 layers will ensure that I have nice even coverage, which will allow me to get the best, cleanest bonds possible that will last the longest time. After about 4 or 5 hours worth of cure time, I'll begin my bonding process by reactivating the super stick with some heat from my heat gun. I first bonded together the heel, followed up immediately by the toe because that allowed the lateral and the medial side to fall in line with one another. With everything lined up appropriately, I continued to reactivate my super stick, and using pressure from my hands got a nice strong bond from the uppers to the soles. Since I had removed the lasting board, I also had to get that inserted back into the shoe, and I followed pretty much the same process, applying my super stick, letting it cure, and then hitting it with some heat from my heat gun to reactivate it and bond it to the footbed of the shoe.
These Nike hiking boots have been bonded. Now it's time to clean them up and get them looking spick and span.
Because the uppers on these boots are made from an older suede, I wanted to give them a deep clean and conditioning to bring back a little bit of life and rejuvenate the luster. After a nice dry clean with some of the New Life elements from New Life kicks, I hit them with some Just Suede to help bring back some color and rejuvenate the suede a little bit more. After I had worked in Just Suede, it was nice and buttery, and it was time to hit them with a little bit of mink oil to help to protect the suede and deepen the color even further. After I had revitalized the suede, it was time to get these things laced up and call it a day on this project.
These hiking boots for the Sneaker Savant were an absolute blast to work on. Let's take a look at the final product. Overall, these things came out extremely nicely. The sizing and shape worked out absolutely perfectly, and it created for a seamless combo. I was able to get a nice strong bond between my soles and my uppers without any sort of touch-up work, and I was able to condition the suede on the uppers to make it nice and buttery. It's a really interesting shaggy suede, and with the treatment of mink oil that I gave them, they're gonna be nice and water repellent for the future, so they'll be a perfect hiking boot. This was not my traditional sole swap, but nonetheless, it was a really fun one to work on. I'm curious to hear what you guys think though, so leave it in the comments below. As always, thank you to everybody that stuck around until the cold, bitter end of this video. You guys already know, I'm Sailboat, and I'm out of here.